Previously on Transformers Prime.
I'm pregnant.
I like your mom, Ratchet.
Do not save me for a vegan Starscream!
Aw, touch me!
Good Sunday.
Ratchet, I'm going to scout the location of one of the Icon relics. Activate the Groundbridge.
Good luck, Optimus.
Ratchet, it was a no-go. The Energon mine was empty. Bridge me back to the base.
Hang on, bulkhead.
Ratchet, the Decepticons bet me to the relic. Bridge me back.
Yes, Optimus.
New intelligence suggests the Decepticons have set up bases at these three separate sets of coordinates. We will split up and ground bridge to each set of coordinates.
Are you sure that's wise, Optimus? We're low enough on Energon as it is, and powering the ground bridge up for 3 separate trips could—
Ratchet, you will remain here and continue decoding the locations of the remaining relics. RC and Bulkhead, take the first set of coordinates. Bumblebee the second. I'll take the third. Any questions?
There ain't no questions round here, boss.
Huh?
No questions here, Prime.
Beep boop.
Good suggestion, Bumblebee. We'll separate to cover even more ground. RC will take the first set of coordinates. Bulkhead, the second set. Bumblebee, the third. I will travel to the nearest Energon mine and do some reconnaissance.
Optimus, is it necessary we do all of this at once? The energy required to—
Ground bridge us now. Ratchet, make sure you've decoded the locations of the remaining relics by the time we're back.
Yes, Optimus.
Ratchet, I have a new mission for Bumblebee of the utmost urgency. Bridge him back to base, now!
Yes, Optimus.
Beep, beep, boop.
You can't be serious! Optimus, B says—
You heard what he said. He's got to pick up Raphael from school. B has to be there by 4 o'clock. Now, hurry up and bridge Bumblebee to Raphael's school.
But we're low on Energon. We should only use the ground bridge for the most important of—
That is an order, Ratchet.
Ratchet, new coordinates just popped up. Bridge me back to base and then bridge me to the new coordinates. Bleep. Bleep bloop.
Okay, Bumblebee, I'll send you back to your set of coordinates.
Ratchet, bring me back!
Gah! I'm trying to finish decoding the—
Optimus wants you to ground bridge Jack's mom to Jasper to pick up some pizza for Ralph.
What? You ground bridge just to tell me this? And another unimportant waste of ground bridge energon. Whatever.
Ratchet, ground bridge me back. The search was unsuccessful. Ratchet, You barely began decoding the location of the relics.
Optimus, I can
Save your excuses. I'm very disappointed in you, Ratchet. More like Ratchet. Do your job better. Now groundbridge me to the next set of the relic coordinates.
Yes, Optimus.
Ratchet, I have valuable information to share with you. Groundbridge me into your base at once.
Starscream? How did you get our number?
That's not important. What is important is the information I want to share with you. Now, let me into your base.
You're not to be trusted, Starscream. I'm hanging up.
Wait! No! Ratchet, buddy.
Bridge me back, Ratchet. Bridge me back, Ratchet.
Ratchet, groundbridge.
Bridge me back to base.
Bleep boop boop beep beep boop.
Bridge me. Groundbridge.
Ratchet, I need the groundbridge.
Ratchet,
I need the groundbridge now.
Bridge us now. Now you must bridge us. Groundbridge!
Ah! Stop! We're wasting Energon! And you're not giving me any time to decode the location of the relics. And why does RC sound like that?
Like what? Ratchet, RC has always sounded like a 40-year-old man. Now, if you are unable to complete your tasks, you may no longer be fit for a place on Team Prime. I'd highly advise you finish decoding the locations of remaining relics, Ratchet. Or else, now, enough time wasting. Bulkhead and Bumblebee, continue your mission. RC, with me.
Could this day get any worse?
I need a ground bridge now.
Ah!
Hey, Ratchet, where the hell are my pajamas?
What? Pajamas, Agent Fowler?
The ones I sleep with.
Hey, Ratchet, I could use a ground bridge. I've got cons on my tailpipe.
This is a very bad time, Agent Fowler. Maybe come back tomorrow.
Hey, is Jack's mom around? I'd like to,
Agent Fowler.
Hey, are you listening? I need a ground bridge.
Leave, Agent Fowler.
Hey, now don't get snippy with me, Snips. I'll go back, okay? Chill out, chillax.
Goodbye, Agent Fowler.
Well, I'm gonna date my wife. See ya.
Hang on, Wheeljack. Are you damaged?
Nah, it was just a prank. You can bridge me back now.
A prank?
I've got the pizza. I need a ground bridge. The pizza's cold. I want a refund. Bridge me back. Ratchet, I require immediate medical attention.
You again? I'm not falling for it.
But I'm injured, and your moral code does not allow you to leave me. What did they do?
I need a ground bridge, Ratchet.
Ratchet, RC and I require an immediate ground bridge.
Oh no! Enough! I've had it! I quit!
Whoa!
Ratchet, please.
Stuff you! I've had it with all of his Groundbridge nonsense!
Why, hello there.
Is this really the end?
I should have killed Bumblebee when I had the chance.